Okay, Sound of Decay 3 is Summoner Circle's new album, Cult.
Oslo, Gothenburg, Helsinki, Knoxville, Tennessee.
Hmm.
Hey, don't knock it, because this six piece is from the land of Civil War landmarks and really good barbecue, and of one really crappy World Fair in 1982.
Okay.
But they have been slugging away with their own brand of occult obsessed, doom laced, epic black metal for nearly 10 years at this point. The simple titled Cult is their fourth full length and their first on the blasphemous Swedish label Black Lion Records. It's a relatively short album at 33 minutes, but this band shows a happy talent for making a 5-minute song seem like a 9-minute epic, with orchestral swells, soaring clean apparatus, and witchy cackles from vocalist Blind, Joshua Winstead, and all manner of gothy instrumentation guaranteed to have you playing air guitar in your sarcophagus of choice.
The clean guitars and soaring clean vocals of Thirst of the Vulture occupy that rare cross section of blackened and epic metal like those beloved Solstice records from the 90s. Yup, it's that good. The ticking double bass and hooky orchestration of Shroud of Humanity makes for a huge sound, and Winstead's swirling, swooning, crooning, cackling vocal performance is superb. The track moving from riffy mid-pace to doomy crawl to stutter-stepping prog. The marvelously titled Irreverence of the Cross may be the strongest cut on the album, exploding out of the blocks with ridiculous speed from drummer Invictus, aka Brandon Hinice. But in seemingly no time, we're enjoying a hooky guitar solo and a very warm, buttery bass line from You Tagged, aka John Springer. Very forward-thinking stuff for the genre and a sound that challenges anything from Europe that we've heard this year. I've been absorbing the Cult album for a couple of weeks now, and the density of these arrangements are revealing some incredibly refreshing metal to me at this point. Grab your monk's robe and your Hamlet skull, pour yourself a stiff one. Cult is nothing short of a masterpiece. Let's play Thirst of the Vulture.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.